And we are rolling. Hey guys, you know I usually take you to properties which are already staged or ready for destaging, and today I thought that I will invite you right kind of in the middle when we are still not done and still hustling, so you will see what the real life of a stager looks like. Come with me. Here is my dear Julia.
This is lovely, Julia.
She is setting up absolutely gorgeous and delightful makeup area. This will be a master bedroom with a double-sided fireplace, and over there we are working on a sitting area. Let me see what else is here interesting, what I can show you. Over here in this space, that will be an office. Hi Heather, Heather hustles. And here, that is a main entrance, and here my team, Masoud and Wolfgang, are working on setting up the dining room table. It will be absolutely beautiful once we are done. Here I will walk you into the kitchen, and there's Bonnie running. Bonnie, hi! I am probably annoying all of them, but you know what? I think sometimes it is fun to see how does it look like in a kitchen. I know, look at that. Does it look like staged house? No, but look over here. Does it look staged? Yes, of course. Over here, we have a family room. Behind it is a lovely den, sunny area. Here, I need to go back to work, and I found my mirror. Thank you for watching, and tomorrow I will bring you back because this house will be staged, ready for photographs and ready for new buyers. Thank you for watching, and you have a wonderful day. Ciao, ciao. Hey guys, it's very cold and very sunny in Virginia. I wonder if there is a slightly little chance to get some snow, huh? Maybe March is around the corner in 2 days. We are almost entering the spring season, which is very strong in the real estate market. So I'm not here to give you weather forecast, but maybe show you what we've done, what we finished, in case you saw our previous video when the job was halfway done. So now it's done. Let's go. This is lovely, beautiful, generous kitchen, and I will make a slow U-turn so you can see the glory of a counter space, the glory of the chef's area. Look at that. That definitely would be a place where my husband would spend most of his time, in the kitchen. Any room of the house which gets lit by the sunlight becomes my favorite. What do you think? Here is a main hallway. Actually, let me tell you about the staircase. When I first originally saw this house, the staircase still had a big red runner, and it was solid wood. We discussed it with the sellers, and they agreed on painting the riser white and removing area rack runner. I think it looks much nicer, airy, and more modern. Here we have an office, right? Somebody is ready for the audience or working, and here we'll go back into main family room from which I said hello to you. And here, one more really sunny, beautiful room. I think this would be my favorite room of the house, which I would call mine. Not sure how well you can see it, but I just will show you enough, just enough to get a taste and understand what staging does. Staging is marketing, visual marketing. So in case you are getting ready to put your house on the market and you are in Northern Virginia, Maryland, or DC, give us a call. Maybe we can help you. If you have any questions, write it down, type it down, and give us some likes. And have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.